how to delete block contact on WhatsApp. Hi everyone, in this video I'll be showing you how you can delete block contacts on WhatsApp. So first of all, let me show you if you block a certain contact and if you open up your logs or go to your contacts. I'm just gonna block this particular number, so right over here. So if I delete the following number, so on this page, or if I block the following user on WhatsApp as well, so let me go ahead and block the following user on WhatsApp as well. So this is the one. So I'm just gonna tap the three dot icon and click the more button, click the block button. So once the user has been blocked, now if you open up your contact page here and if you tap the following user here, as you can see, this is the particular one. So tap the three dot icon and you'll just tap the delete button. As soon as you do that, now when you open up your WhatsApp and go to the three dot icon and click the settings button, go to privacy, scroll down a bit and go to blocked. As you can see, the user is still right over here. In order to delete them, you'll have to unblock them first of all. Only then you'll be able to delete the contact on WhatsApp. So in my case, if I long press on it and click the unblock button, here you go, that the contact has been deleted. So in this way you can delete block contact on WhatsApp. That is all for this video. I hope the video was helpful. Make sure to like, share and subscribe to our channel. Thank you for watching. See you in the next video.